Assalamu alaikum, wonderful people. I am Dr. Asma Mahmood, and it's summer, and it is scientifically proven that in summer the hair growth is much more as compared to that in winter. What we will do is in these summers we will not only tap into the natural hair growth, we'll be using some of the juices which I'll tell you how to make them and how to prepare them and how to use them in this video. If you use them like the juice only, your hair will be growing. I tried these for a month and my hair grew by 2 centimeters. Believe me, I cannot show you because I wear hijab, but the thing is it works for me. At least you should tell me if it works for you or not in the comment section below. If you use these alongside your oils, that will have a much better effect. These are effective for hair growth if your volume is thin, if your hair keeps falling, there is a problem of hair fall or hair loss or hair thinning, hair graying. All of these things will be solved by these two things. Watch this video till the end because I'll be sharing information which will not only help with your hair growth, thinning of hair, hair fall, graying of hair, it will also make your hair healthy and make you beautiful. So we'll start right after the intro. So we will first start with the juice that we have to apply at night time before we go to bed. For this I am taking 2 cups of plain water. You can make it in 1 cup of water if your hair is not long. In this I will be adding fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are a rich source of iron, zinc, protein and many other nutrients which are needed for hair growth. And in addition, it has been scientifically proven that they help with hair loss as well as the premature graying. In fact, scientific studies have been done in which they compared the fenugreek extract and the minoxidil cream. Minoxidil cream is a cream that you might have used or heard of if you are suffering from hair loss. And they found that the fenugreek seed extract showed a better hair growth rate as compared to the minoxidil cream. The links to all these researches can be seen in the description box below, so go check them out if you are suffering from hair loss. Anyway, to prepare our fenugreek seed extract, what we need for every cup of water, we need 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. Since I am using 2 cups of water, I will be adding 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds and I will just leave them overnight to start the fermentation process. Fermented seeds are always a better choice than non-fermented seeds because the probiotics or the good bacteria which get added due to fermentation help in the absorption of all the nutrients of the seeds. Anyway, next morning you have to take a big onion about 100 grams and chop it down. Onion is a rich source of sulfur. Sulfur is something which makes keratin protein. Keratin protein is the structure of your hair. So this is a rich source of sulfur. In addition, it also stimulates the formation of collagen, and if the collagen is formed, your scalp will be healthy, and everyone will agree that if the scalp is healthy, the hair will be healthy. In addition to both of these benefits, onion also has an enzyme called catalase inhibitor. These enzymes inhibit the formation of hydrogen peroxide which prevents the graying of hair. So if you are suffering from premature graying of hair, this is the juice for you. If you don't want to go through all this trouble of making extracts and everything, you can even get the onion juice. Put the onions in your juicer, get a juice and add it to for every 200 ml of whatever shampoo you use. Add about 1/4 cup of onion juice to it, and you will see that after a month your premature graying of hair will start reversing. All these are scientifically proven. This is not anecdotal. This is why I am again and again urging you to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon, because all the information we share is not anecdotal, it is scientifically proven, and inshallah you will see the benefits within 2 to 3 months of usage of these things. Anyway, after you have peeled and chopped your 100 grams of onion, you need to peel 100 grams of garlic. Garlic is again very beneficial for your hair growth. In fact, hair regrowth. Research has been done on patients of alopecia areata. Alopecia areata is a type of disease in which there are bald spots. This is not normal hair loss like we suffer after doing the diet, like a keto diet or any other diet, like 10 hairs, 100 hairs, 500 hairs per day. This is like real hair loss. There are bald patches on your head. And they applied this garlic juice on these patients, and they found that the hair regrowth was there after applying the garlic juice. What I mean to say is, if it can help such stubborn hair loss, it can surely help you and me. In a blender jug, you need to add all this peeled garlic and chopped onion, and add all the fenugreek seed water that we prepared last night. Remember that? Add it to your chopped onions and garlic, blend it, and you will get a thick slurry like this. Now you have to filter it, because if you won't filter it, when you apply it to your hair, particles will be left in your hair, and that will be very disturbing. So you can filter it. If you have a small quantity like 1 cup, you can use a sock. Just put a clean sock in a cup, and you can filter it this way. Or if you have a large quantity like 2 cups, you can put a strainer on your jug and add put a cheesecloth on it, and then strain the pulp. You can leave this pulp overnight to strain drop by drop. It will also help in the fermentation process, or you can just squeeze it out if you are in a hurry. Anyway, once you get the juice, you have to add it in a spray bottle. You can also add it in a dropper bottle, and like apply it with a dropper on your scalp. The thing is, you have to apply it to the scalp. You don't have to apply it to the hair. You have to apply it to the scalp of the hair. This quantity of juice is usually enough for a week, and you don't have to store it in the fridge. You can keep it outside. It will also help in the fermentation process. However, if you don't like the smell of the onion and the garlic, you can add 5 to 10 pods of cloves. Cloves are naturally anti-dandruff, and they are naturally antifungal, antibacterial. They have many health benefits of themselves also, plus they will give a good smell to your onion and garlic juice. Anyway, this is the juice that has to be applied overnight. You have to leave it overnight. In the morning, you have to apply this rice water. To prepare this fermented rice water, all you need is 1 cup of water. Add to it 1 tablespoon of white rice. Any white rice will do. Leave it overnight for fermentation. In the morning, just strain it. And this water is the fermented rice water, which is rich in proteins, amino acids. It has been used for centuries by women of China and Japan for a longer, healthier, shinier hair. You will be amazed when you see their hair. You have to apply this in the morning, and again it should be applied to the scalp of your hair, not to the hair. So basically, you will have the onion juice from the night. In the morning before you take your shower, apply this rice water, leave it for like 30 minutes, and after that you take your shower. Make sure you don't use any chemical laden shampoos, because rice water itself it has a cleansing effect, and your hair will be clean. So these are the 2 magical elixirs which I shared with you. If you combine them with your oiling, it will have much better effects. But even if you do not, only these 2 they can work miracles. Let me know in the comment section below if you use them, and how much your hair grew when you use them over a course of 1 month. Till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.